Hey all! Today I'm gonna share a super easy clay craft for kids. Today I'm using homemade clay. You can use any type of clay for this project. Roll the clay and make the board. You can take leaf impression on it as me. Create the grid as shown. Let's make flowers. For each flower, we will need 5 mini balls of clay. Get them closer and press to form a flower. For a bee, roll clay into a cylindrical shape. Make 2 balls and press to form wings. Press on top of the bee. Make at least 5 flowers and 5 bees to play the game. After drying, apply gesso or white acrylic paint. Paint the board with yellow and green acrylic paint. Color bees and the flowers too. Use acrylic paint. Apply 2 coats of varnish. Let the board, bees and flowers dry for at least 2 or 3 days. Your very own bees and flowers tic-tac-toe game is ready. Pick a side, flowers or bees, who will win. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you like. Thanks for watching.